Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. In today's class, we are going to learn about the lifestyle of people in Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
We have all.
So, we already learnt about the features of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Today, we will learn about the food, occupation, and clothing of the people in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Keep.
Tribe. What is a tribe? A group of people who have same language, customs and beliefs.
Oh,
Okay, read the story of Botu in the section Lifestyle of People Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, from your content book, read the story of Botu. Underline the different occupations, food and clothing of the people of Andaman Nicobar Islands. Now let us watch this video.
Many people of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands catch fish to earn a living. The islands also attract many tourists and are a popular place for scuba diving. Making crafts of seashells help the local people earn a living too.
Right? Let's learn more.
okay.
What is the food, occupation and clothing of the people of the Andaman Nicobar Islands?
Let's some.
People of Andaman and Nicobar Islands grow rice, betel, fruit and rubber, collect palm oil and catch fish to earn a living. Okay, they grow rice, betel, fruit and rubber, collect palm oil and catch fish to earn a living. They also make wooden furniture and some own hotels. So the crops, they collect oil, palm oil, they catch fish. They eat fish curries and rice. They wear loose cotton clothes. Now let us read this table. Occupation, what is that job that they do, the work they do? Growing crops like rice, betel, fruits and rubber. They also do fishing. People make wooden furniture. They collect palm oil. The food that they eat is fish curry with rice. Clothing, they wear loose cotton clothes.
Part 2.
How is the lifestyle of island people dependent on the climate and the landforms?
Let's summarize.
The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are surrounded by the sea, and so people catch fish to earn a living. Because of the sea around them, they catch fish for a living. They make food and furniture because there are many trees on the island. Okay, as there are many trees on the island, they take the wood and make furniture. They eat fish with rice because fish is easily available. The pleasant climate allows people to wear loose cotton clothes.
Part 3.
Why should the tribes of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and their land be protected?
Let.
If the tribes of Andaman and Nicobar Islands do not wish to meet with outsiders, then their wishes should be respected. They have lived on their land for thousands of years and it belongs to them.
Okay. Now it's time for some application. Let's find our workbook and complete worksheet 10.4. I repeat, worksheet 10.4. Please do the worksheet on your own.
Put today's date. Lifestyle of people Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Read the passage and answer the questions. Guide. So the guide is talking to the tourist here. Welcome to the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Samir. It's so breezy here. Guide. Our first stop is the famous palm oil tree plantations. Then we will go to a shop selling wooden crafts. When you can where you can buy things for your family. After that, we will stop for lunch and try the famous fish curry. Samir, could you also take us to the tribes of the islands? Guide, no, they do not like people to enter their land and meet with them. Question 1. Which of these features is not of the Andaman Nicobar Islands? Okay, so we have oil palm trees, sandy desert, sea. So oil palm trees is related to the islands, sea is related to the islands, whereas sandy desert does not belong to this place. So B, sandy desert is the answer. Question 2. What occupation, food and clothing of people of Andaman Nicobar Islands would Samir see? Samir will see people fishing, making wooden furniture, making crafts with the seashells, and people collecting palm oil. Food, most of the preparations are made with fish and rice. And clothing, people here wear loose cotton clothes. Question 3. Why can Samir not visit the tribes of Andaman Nicobar Islands? The people in the Andaman Nicobar Islands, the tribals, they don't like people entering their islands. So we have to respect their opinion because they have been living in this island since thousands of years ago. So Samir will not visit the tribes. Let's answer the practice questions.
Okay.
Write if true or false. Many people in Andaman and Nicobar Islands catch fish to earn a living. True. B. Many people in Andaman and Nicobar Islands wear woolen clothes throughout the year. False. Second question. Rajat lives in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. A. What occupation could he have? Write any two. Rajat will be fishing and he will be making wooden furniture. B. What food could he be eating? He will be eating a lot of fish and rice. Third question. If you visit the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, what would you see around you? What would you hear and smell? I will be seeing the beautiful sea water, tourists there, people fishing there, and making furniture there. I would hear the people shouting out while fishing and the machines that are used for making wooden furniture and smell of the fresh seawater and the coconut trees there. So that's all for today, students. Read the lesson from the content book twice, underline new words. Thank you. Have a good day.